Mariah. I'm on my way to surgery. I'm really excited and nervous and everything. I'm so hungry too. I haven't ate shit. I'm getting silicone implants, 500 cc's, high profile. I'm super excited, and I'm also doing my bottom surgery at the same time, so I know it's gonna be really painful, but I just want to get it over with. I'm so hungry and I'm thirsty and sleepy, so if you're watching this, wish me luck. Bye. Hey guys, it's Mariah. I'm really nervous. I'm about to go into surgery, so that's the last you'll see of my boobies. I'm actually really excited. I'm not even that nervous, I guess, because this is like my third surgery, or third time that I've gone under. I'm not that worried about it. I don't know what to say. I'm kind of nervous. But it's kind of sexy though. I'm kind of speechless at this point, which is like rare for me. Yeah. Bye. Say bye. Say bye to my boobies. Bye. Hold on. Fuck. Oh. Shit, everything fucking hurts. So bad. Okay. But yeah, so I'm sorry I couldn't do a video for you guys. I couldn't do a video for you guys Wednesday, the night of surgery, which was Wednesday or Thursday. I was literally fucking dying of pain. I think my painkillers have just gotten me. Like, I literally can't fucking sleep. Okay. Look at my eyes. No trae ni una garra aquí. ¿Por qué? Como se me hace muy bajita. Hey guys, Mariah here. Look at my eyes. I've literally only slept 6 hours in the last 2 days. I am fucking exhausted. I've been crying. I'm in so much fucking pain. I came here to take my bandage. The bandages come off today. Top and bottom bandages come off today. And just wish me luck, guys. I'm in so much pain right now. It's not even fucking funny. And I'm sorry I didn't make a video the first and the second day. I was just in so much fucking pain. Wish me luck. Hey guys, Mariah here. I am here for my follow-up appointment for my boobs. And look. My boobs look fucking amazing now that my bandages came off. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna take lots of fucking pictures. Well, I gotta go. Bye. Hey guys, Mariah here. I'm still in a lot of fucking pain. You can tell by my fucking eyes. Like, my eyes never look this fucking sad. I'm with my mom and we're on our way back home to from my follow-up appointment. They said they took my bandages off. They showed me how my boobs look and they look fucking amazing. Like, they look so fucking good. The only thing that I don't like about them is that they're really, really hard right now because they put a really big implant. So the skin still has to stretch. What else? Motherfucker, my shoe fucking ripped. Mira.
¿Qué? ¿Se te cayó?
Se me cayó un diamante. A diamond fell off my fucking shoe. Y'all see that shit? Anyways, the doctor said down there everything is perfect. He took out my gauzes, and well, he changed my gauzes out, and I didn't bleed as much as he thought I was gonna bleed, especially from down there. And he gave me a coupon so I can go buy my dilator, so I can start. He told me I should start dilating tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna start dilating tomorrow. Of course, that's not gonna be in this video because it's none of you guys' business. But yeah, I'm in a lot of pain right now. And my mom keeps fucking braking, like puts on the brakes and fucking hurts so fucking bad. And we keep hitting fucking speed bumps. But yeah, I'm gonna take a lot of pictures when I get home of my boobs. You guys are gonna love them. I'm in so much pain right now. You guys have no fucking idea. What else? I was on hydrocodone, and he told me hydrocodone, when you start getting an overdose of hydrocodone, you start itching. So I was starting to itch a lot. So when I show you guys pictures of my boobs, there are going to be a lot of scratch marks on them because I've been itching like crazy. So he lowered my dosages on my hydrocodone, and he upped my dosage on another painkiller. I'm on 2 painkillers and one ¿cómo se llama la medicina que estoy tomando? No, es antibiótico. Antibiotics. I'm on 2 painkillers and antibiotics. We're going kind of slow, which is the good thing because then there's not that many fucking speed bumps that my mom keeps hitting. My doctor said I should wait about 2 weeks until I go bra shopping and, you know, all of that good stuff. So I don't know what else to say. I'm just like in so much pain right now. You guys have no fucking idea. And he put this, if you guys are wondering what this is, the doctor, I told the doctor that I had my tracheal shave about in January, and he gave me this little band-aids that are really good for treating scars. So he said try to keep this as long as I can. Honestly, when I saw my boobs, like, he took me to another room where there was a mirror. He took off my bandages. I looked at myself in the mirror and I saw my boobs and I started crying. I was just tremendously happy with the results, and you know, it's kind of like my way into womanhood. You know what I mean? I went from having a 17-year-old's body with small boobs to having a woman's body overnight, and SRS. So it's crazy. I'm so happy, but I'm in so much pain. But yeah, so thank you guys. I'll try to do a video when I get home. Bye. It's Mireya here. It is Saturday around, shit, I don't know, maybe 1 a.m. It's actually technically Sunday. Sunday is my 4th day of my breast augmentation. I'm still in a lot of fucking pain. Um, my boobs, they don't necessarily hurt as much like when I squeeze them and stuff like that. But they're just really fucking hard. Like, my skin has to stretch to them because the implant that they put in them was really, really big. Again, like I said, I got 500 cc's silicone implants, high profile. I think the reason I'm in more pain than I would normally, than other people are, is because I both got a breast augmentation and SRS, and I think that's why I'm in a lot of fucking pain. The doctor said I can start my hormones today, but I think I'm going to hold off on that until I kind of recover a little bit, or at least I can, get in and out of bed without cringing my face or anything like that. But anyways, fourth day of my surgeries. I'm feeling okay, getting better. Do you guys want to see my boobs? I have them kind of covered with my bandages. The bandages came off today, remember? But that's how they look. Ew. Look at my nasty ass I hadn't seen my incisions in my armpits, and I don't want to look at them because I'll throw up on myself. But anyways, boob number 1. Boob number 2. I'm officially, I think, a D cup, maybe? I don't know. But anyways, I'm excited to start healing so I can start hitting the gym hardcore, because now that my body doesn't produce any testosterone, I will be able to lose all this muscle and I'm gonna look so fucking good. Anyway, signing out day 4. Technically half a day 5 because it's already 1 a.m. Say bye, Cokes. That's fucking disgusting. I hate looking at blood. But anyways, bye. Hey guys, Maria here. So, right now, I am wearing a Victoria's Secret. It's one of my old bras that obviously doesn't fit anymore because my fucking nipple is all the way out here. So I need somebody to take me shopping and buy me new bras as soon as possible. Anyways, this is a Victoria's Secret double push-up bra. It's called the Bombshell, so it adds 2 cup sizes. So when I got my boobs done, I got a D. So if you guys know how to do math, so it's a D and it adds 2 cup sizes. So it's a D originally, and then an E, and then an F. So right now I am an F cup, which I think is way too fucking huge. I am so glad I didn't get them this big. But if I wanted them to look this big, then I'll just wear a double push-up bra. But I don't think it's very appealing. I look very porno-ish porn star. Me and my mom are about to go to the park. And, there's this really cute boy that I kind of have a crush on, but he never really has the balls to talk to me. So he always goes between 4 to 6:30 to the park. Yes, I'm obsessed with him. He's so cute, and I know the time that he goes, it's kind of creepy. But then again, it's not so creepy, because I'm a hot girl. But if I was ugly, it would be creepy. But anyways, So this is what an F cup looks like, guys, and I am so glad I did not get them this big. But like I said, if I want them this big, then I'll just wear a double push-up bra, which I'm gonna wear to the park because there's a lot of really cute boys that be working out next to my apartment. I didn't know Tumblr could do videos, so I think now whenever oh, my hair's so tangly, I just got out of the shower. I'm just gonna start doing random videos on Tumblr, and I think I'm gonna post them on YouTube too. And it'll be like my, YouTube to me is like my video blog diary. You know what I mean? Like, my videos, if you ever watch them, they're really dumb and silly. It's just me, doing dumb stuff, but people find it entertaining. So I'm gonna be trying to do a lot more videos. I know I said I was gonna do a video every once a week, but I think I've been doing like 3 times now. I think this week I did 3 videos already. So I will be doing more videos, and I will be just talking about random stuff. If you guys want me to hit any topics, talk about anything, ask me any questions. Also, I have a P.O. box that you guys could write me letters. So yeah. Wish me luck at the park, and hopefully this guy talks to me, because if he doesn't, I'm gonna be very pissed off. Because I'm horny. Did my mom hear me say that?